So I go to the store, right? There's a chick sitting outside. I don't fucking know her. I don't say shit to her. Whoever the fuck this chick is now in my car.
Sorry, excuse me?
You gotta get out of my car, Slim.
I'm sorry.
Can you get out of my car?
I had no idea this was your car.
Did you think it was yours?
I didn't know it was in your car, but like... Cool at all. Not cool at all. There's nothing cool about it at all. Like, that's why I'm just like, what the fuck? I just feel bad.
Alright, just tell me your address. I'll take you home. You don't have to feel bad. It's cool. We're good. This isn't an Uber ride.
Ubers can charge them. Everybody can charge them. Right? Hey, you have a machine, right?
No.
You have a machine right now.
No. Get out. You can just get out. It's cool. I'm like trying to be real nice.
Sorry. I'm just a fucking awful white person that just like is horrible.
What's you being white got to do with anything, yo? See?
Sorry.
See?
Yes.
White people play the race card. I took your white ass home. Get the fuck out of my car. Get out of my car. Dog, where am I? Where in the fuck am I? I'm in the fucking Twilight Zone. Oh my god.